presenting the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, tow hooks, automatic headlights, split bench seat, vinyl seats, rear bench seat and adjustable steering wheel. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.